Have you ever used a weather app, logged into a website with Google, or ordered food online? Believe it or not, all of these actions rely on something called an API. But what exactly is an API? Don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. In this video, I'll explain what an API is, how it works, and why it's such an important part of modern technology. Let's get started. What is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. That sounds complicated, but let's break it down. Think of an API as a messenger that helps two software applications communicate with each other. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You don't walk into the kitchen and cook your own meal. Instead, you tell the waiter what you want. The waiter takes your order to the kitchen, the chefs prepare the food, and then the waiter brings it back to your table. In this example, you are the user. The kitchen is the server or system providing the service. The waiter is the API. The API takes your request, delivers it to the right place, and brings back the response. Simple, right? Real-world example. Let's look at a real example. Suppose you open a weather app on your phone. When you tap refresh, the app doesn't actually know the weather itself. Instead, it sends a request to a weather service through an API. The API asks the weather service for the latest data. The service responds with information like temperature, humidity, and forecast. The API then delivers that information back to the app, which displays it on your screen. All of this happens in just a few seconds. How API work? Here's the basic process. Step 1, Request. An application asks for specific information or performs an action. For example, what's today's weather in my area? Step 2, API Processing. The API receives the request and forwards it to the appropriate server or database. Step 3, Response. The server sends back the requested information. For example, temperature, 30 degrees Celsius, sunny. Step 4, Display. The application presents the information to the user. This request and response cycle is the foundation of how APIs work. Why are APIs important? APIs offer several benefits. Save development time. Developers don't need to build everything from scratch. Easy integration. Different systems can work together seamlessly. Better user experience. Users get access to more features and services. Scalability. Businesses can expand functionality without rebuilding their entire system. In short, APIs make software more powerful and connected. So, what is an API? Simply put, an API is a messenger that helps different software applications communicate with each other. Whether you're checking the weather, logging in with Google, or making an online payment, APIs are working behind the scenes to make it happen. If this video helped you understand APIs, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more beginner-friendly tech content. Thanks for watching.